everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if this is the first time, hi, my name is Nini. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a very special unboxing video and I just want to share this with all of you. First of all, I want to say Happy Lunar New Year. Yes, so it is Lunar New Year. That's why I am wearing our Vietnamese traditional dress to be filming this video. As you can see in the video, I was laughing and smiling so much. My face hurt that day. It does. Oh my god. Oh my god, I am still super happy. So the story began just a couple days ago. Just like any other day, I was bored and I scrolling down Instagram. So whenever I scrolling Instagram, I saw tons and tons of beautiful MSPs, something that I have never seen before, and I will screenshot it and then send it to him. Some of the items that I sent to him, he told me he also never seen it before. So this time I was looking at this really beautiful Kelly pochette. It's in the ombre lizard and it's so beautiful. Special, extra, and I also know that is something that I can only put down on my wish list. It may never come true, but it's happened. So he texted me back after a couple of minutes and he was like, sorry, I don't have that. I never seen this coming into the store. And I was like, oh, I know. This is really hard, really special, so I didn't expect you to see it. But if you see one, please save it for me. I am so ready for the exotic piece. And then he texts me back saying, but I have this, da 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 da. Oh my god, I can't believe what I see. So let's introduce you guys to Miss Tiny Kelly. I am calling this Tiny Kelly because it's just like as big as my hand. Look at that. That's my hand. That's how big she is. When my husband saw her, he was like, so small. Are you sure this is $30,000? Are you sure? I was like, yes, baby, I am positive. So she is in Shiny Crocodile. This is called Nilotica, I believe. I hope I said it right. Nilotica. It's a very special type of crocodile leather that MS are using for their handbag. And I saw that MS is using this for pretty much on a lot of their alligator, on their crocodile handbag. I see it's more than the other two kind. So right here on the stem, you see this tiny little square? I saw that last year when I got an offer from my essay. So he offered me a Picatinny 22, but it's in the touch version. So the two handles are in matte crocodile. And it's have that square stamp on it as well. At first I was like, what is that stamp? I have purchased in so many handbags and I have never seen this before. So I mentioned it while I do the unboxing video for my Picatinny 22. One of the viewers actually comments down on my post saying, oh, so that is the stamp for special exotic leather, which is crocodile or alligator. So there are 3 different stamps, and this square one is for Nilotica crocodile. It's just so special. So this is a mini Kelly 2. So mini Kelly 1 is the Kelly Pochette. So when you come in, you say you want mini Kelly, they could also think that you want a Kelly Pochette, and I want that. I want a Kelly Pochette in my collections, of course. But first, let's talk about this baby. So she do have the 2 buckles, just like any other Kelly. It's just the same shape. The 4 feet on the bottom, and the handle, and she does come with a shoulder strap. So the Kelly Pochette doesn't come with the shoulder strap, but the Kelly Pochette will be a little bit longer and easier to use because more room. This baby is very tiny, to be honest. And here is the strap that's come with it. So it's also have the square stem on the strap as well. Tiny little strap, so cute. The thing is, I am not sure if I will ever use this strap because she is so tiny, and I would love to carry her by the top handle. I am a top handle girl, and when the bag this small, I like to hold it by the top handle. The thing is, I think I'm gonna carry her like this instead of, buckling up and put everything back and then take it off and things like that. It's just a bit of a hassle because it's a little stiff right now. So holding her like this will be very easy for me to access my stuff. But I don't think this bag could fit anything. So far, I see that it could fit a credit card holder, maybe a lipstick, and it doesn't have the zipper pocket inside, so it's only have one flat pocket right there, and that's it, nothing else. And inside of the bag is lined with it seemed like swift leather, must be swift. So this will be very easy to get scratched and stuff, so I have to be extra careful. Okay, I am debating whether or not I should get an insert for this beautiful baby because I see now that the inside, the leather that's lined inside is very prone to get scratching. I should get a insert, I think. But she's so tiny and so cute. And so now I am gonna answer the one questions that most of you are very curious about. In terms of purchase, how much did I purchase between my last offer to be able to get this offer? I didn't purchase a lot. Somewhere along the line, I didn't even track my purchase anymore. So if there is something pop up and I see it and I like it, then I will text and ask if I have it. So I have come up with all the items that I purchased after my offer in August. So in August 2021, I got offered my Kelly 28 in ostrich leather. The color is rich pearl and silver hardware. Here is all the items that I purchased right after my Kelly 28 up until this offer. Right after my Kelly 28, my SA have a Airbag 31 in the exact combo that I'm looking for. So I submit a wish list for my Airbag 31, and he finally had the one that I want, so I came in and picked it up. And an Airbag 31 is $2,575. I believe because the one I purchased is a little bit different than the normal canvas one. The canvas that I have for my airbag is actually treated canvas. So it's like coated canvas, that's what they call it. Is waterproof. I did purchase a small silver rings, and I believe that ring costs around $380. I also purchased a Kelly belt. I purchased a sushi plate. I've been asking for the sushi plate for a long time. I see a lot of people take picture of the sushi plate where they place, cute little accessory like earrings and stuff like that on and take pictures. So I want it really bad, and it's running out for a long period of time. There were none in the country at the time I'm asking for it. One day he texted me and he said, the plate you want is here, but it's the smaller side. Do you want it? And I said, yes, I am coming for it. So I purchased it, but he had to ship it to me that time because I can't come into the store. After that, I purchased this one item. I purchased the Kelly doll charms. So it's a tiny little charms that I do the unboxing video on, and most of the people calling me crazy. Thank you. But yes, I do know that I am crazy for purchasing that one. If you haven't seen that video, I have it linked in the description box down below so you can check it out. Just see how crazy that piece is. It is a back charms, and it's cost $4,000. So the retail price is $3,600. Maybe, yeah. But I remember after tax and everything, I paid $3,996. So that is a crazy one. Yes. After that, I did purchase a scarf ring, and that is very useful for me. I love it. It's super useful for me. I didn't know why I haven't purchased it sooner. But again, that is something small. It's only $100-something. So it's nothing super expensive. I do purchase a pair of Tilly. Also, I purchased a the pair of the Kelly earrings, the old Kelly earrings, and I unboxed it on the other video a couple weeks ago. So I purchased it for my birthday, and the store doesn't have it in the color I want, so my SA ordered it for me, and it came to me from a different store. I am asking for the Go and Go Hardware, but they came to me YouTube and Go Hardware. I didn't know this until I do the unboxing video, and I was really disappointed. If you see the video, then you know what I'm talking about. I was so disappointed. So I texted my SA. It's not what I'm asking for. So he told me to just bring it in and just return it. He will look out for me in the future. If he have that pair, he will let me know. So I also purchased a barista card holder, but I also decided to return it because I am so used to have my credit card, layering up. So then when I look at the credit card holder, then I see exactly what card I want to use. But for the barista card holder, everything is piled at one pocket. So when you open it, there's a very high chance that something can fall out. And also when you want to look for a certain card, you have to really take the whole stock out and go in through every single card to find the one you want. I find it's very inconvenient for me. So I decide I am gonna return that one. So in the end, I returned both of the items and getting store credit for it. I also got offered a Chi charms. It's really cute. At first, when he brought it to me, I was like, maybe I don't want it because it's really bulky, it's big. But I purchased it anyway because this is one of the newer charms that just coming out, and a lot of people having it on Facebook, Instagram, and all that. So that is one of the items that I purchased for the hype. But I like it now. I actually like it a lot. After I put it on my Birkin 30. I have a black Birkin 30 that he offered to me sometime in April, I believe. And it just looks so good because the Chi Chi Charms is in the black and white color and it's bigger, so it looks so good on the Birkin 30, and also it just looks so good on my Picotin Touch 22 as well. So that is everything I purchased in the span of August until now. That is everything. So right now I am gonna answer the one questions that a lot of people are gonna be curious about. How much is this bag cost? The cost for the Mini Kelly 2 in the Crocodile, $26,600. After tax, I am paying $29,320 something dollars. Yes. Oh my god. Super expensive. She is really special. Something so small and could be so expensive. But I also know Mini Kelly right now in the resale market had a very high value. I saw the highest piece that are selling on Fashion File right now, which is in, you know, regular leather, Epsom, just in Epsom, but it is an SO bag. $45,000 for that bag. So I did some research and I found out that for a Kelly Mini in the color black and gold hardware in Shiny Crocodile, I saw some of the website put it up for sale as much as $85,000. Yes. So the feeling that I got when I see the handbag is because I know the values of this handbag is super high. I feel like I am getting a bargain for this bag, and I just feel super lucky. I feel really special because the price of this handbag could be up to $85,000. So that's it for my video today. I do feel very lucky, very special to be able to get this offer in my Hermes journey. As you all know, this is one of my dream bags. I keep saying it over and over again. This is one of the dream bags in my life. And I got it. So right now I just feel really happy, and I just want to share that happiness with you all. Also, I just want to share some insights for what I have been going through on my MS journey. So if you like my video today, please consider to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And if you like video like unboxing luxury handbag, shopping for luxury handbag, then you should definitely join my channel. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys back on my next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.